Good morning everybody, my name is Margaret Jones, oh, excuse me, and I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator. Today I'm going to show you one of the first techniques that I learnt when I first started crafting, and I still use it. I really love it. It's heat embossing, and today we're going to do something similar to this. This one is pewter, and this is Pool Party. Now, embossing gives it a raised edge to the design. Okay, let's get started. So to do heat embossing you will need the following. You'll need a piece of card. I've used Bermuda Bay, lovely blue colour today. You'll need an embossing buddy. Now this reduces static that might gather on the card. You'll need some Versamark, which is like a sticky glue substance. You'll need a stamp set of your choice. Today I'm using Chalk Talk, and I'm using this filigree design, which is really nice. You'll need some embossing powder, and it comes in various colours. I'm using black today because it will stand out well for the camera. And you'll need a heat gun. Now a hairdryer won't do, unfortunately, it has to be a heat gun. Okay. So, with your chosen stamp and your Versamark, get a good covering on your stamp, and when you look at it you will see that it has got a shine to it. Just as normal stamping, you will stamp it on your card, and when you lift it off you will just about see the design. It'll be slightly darker than your card. You may not be able to see it very well on the with the video camera there. You then need to cover it in your chosen colour for your embossing powder, and just shake it. You could use a little spoon if you wanted. Give it a good covering. Now you can just get rid of the excess. If there is still some on it, you can sometimes use a watercolour brush just to get rid of any excess, and you'll see it sticking to the design. Then this is when your heat gun comes in. Now the heat gun is a bit noisy, so I'll try and talk a little bit louder. And you'll just move the heat gun, continually move the heat gun over the top of the design. If your card starts to curl, you can do it on the back as well to make it go back again. And as you heat it, the powder will melt basically and turn shiny sometimes. The heat gun does get quite warm, so do take care. When you've finished, it'll be a little bit shiny, and you'll be able to feel the embossed edge on it. Here's just a couple of cards that I have made with the heat embossing. We've got a black card here which has got Melon Mambo embossing powder, and I think you'll agree that's quite sort of striking against each other. And then we've got this one, which is the pewter one for sentiment. As you run your fingers over it, you can just feel the raised edge. So that's a very simple video showing you how to do heat embossing. I hope you try it. It does make the card add something to your card. Okay, thank you for joining me.